Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, May 3. Government will be assisting the family of slain Woman Corporal Judith Williams. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, National Security Minister Robert Montague and State Minister for National Security Colonel Charles Jr. visited the family of the policewoman on Monday.
We have given our commitment that we will assist the family. We were very heartened by the daughter, the last child of Corporal Williams, how determined she was to continue her mother's work, and she's now determined to serve in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. She wants to serve Jamaica that way and to honor her mother.
To ensure that the family of the slain policewoman is properly taken care of, Minister Charles will act as the liaison between them and the state.
I will do so to the best of my ability to ensure that we respect and lift up the long tradition and the good works of this police officer. May her soul rest in peace.
54-year-old Corporal Judith Williams was shot by gunmen last Thursday at a bus stop in East Kingston. She was attached to the office of the police commissioner. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has also extended condolences to the family of the two American missionaries who were killed in St. Mary over the weekend. Mr. Holness promised that the security forces would be using their resources to bring the killers of Harold Nichols and Randy Hensel to justice.
We treat all of these kinds of crimes seriously. The police will be investigating, putting the full weight of the Jamaican government behind it. And I want to thank you for the work that you have done, all of you have done for the country. We're very grateful. And I know that there are many Jamaicans, not just those who have benefited, but all the thinking Jamaicans are weeping with you at this moment, surrounding you and praying for you and your family and your friends here in Jamaica and in the United States.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness left the island today for Washington, D.C. to participate in the United States Caribbean Central American Energy Summit. A release from the Office of the Prime Minister says the summit will discuss the results of the Energy Task Force for the Caribbean and Central America. Participants will also identify steps stakeholders can take to ensure that citizens achieve more secure, affordable, and clean energy solutions. The Prime Minister will return from the Energy Summit on May 5. During his absence, Minister without portfolio in the Office of the Prime Minister, Dr. Horace Chang, will be in charge of the government. The Southeast Regional Health Authority, SERA, is working hard to resume full operations at the Princess Margaret Hospital in St. Thomas following a fire at the facility on Monday. SERA's engineering team has been assessing the extent of the damage with a view to fixing the problems and restoring normalcy in the shortest possible time. As a result of the damage to the operating theatre, surgical and diagnostic services have been suspended at Princess Margaret. Emergency cases will therefore be transferred to the Kingston Public Hospital. Preliminary reports indicate that the fire at Princess Margaret started at approximately 2 a.m. on Monday in the operating theatre. The laboratory and X-ray departments, which are located directly below the theatre, were also affected by water damage. The Living in Family Environments LIFE program is to be strengthened as the Youth Ministry seeks to enhance the development of neglected children. LIFE, a foster care initiative conducted by the Child Development Agency, has three main components: family care, reintegration, and adoption. State Minister in the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information, Floyd Green, says the aim is to increase the number of persons participating in the foster care program.
Unfortunately, fewer persons are opening their homes and hearts to participate in the foster care program, and this has slowed the pace on the number of children being placed in a family environment. The ministry will be meeting with our foster parents to assess how can we strengthen the program. Through public awareness, we hope to increase promotion and recruitment of families to participate in foster care.
Young people are being urged to pursue careers in agriculture and assist in finding solutions to challenges in the sector. The call was made by Portfolio Minister Carl Samuda at the Jamaica 4-H Club's 2016 National Achievement Expo. Minister Samuda said the young people should focus on the marketing of produce while going after other opportunities in the industry.
The agro-industrial sector offers a wealth of opportunity for our enterprise and self-employment. That is the sector that we look forward to creating the greatest degree of growth and employment generation in the country.
And finally, the 2016 Jamaica 4-H Club's champion boy and girl will receive $1 million each from government as startup capital for agricultural projects.
And this is to serve as an initial contribution, and as we are able to get more funds, we will increase that and extend it to the parishes and to those other areas within the 4-H movement that is doing such a great job.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.